Is that on?
Yeah. It's fucking on. Dude, I know what that red light means.
I'm just gonna have a little lie down.
I know, I'm thinking you want a little.
Is it nap time already?
As soon as I get my milk and cookie. Don't shoot that. Rather than shooting them both ways, you know what I mean? Because I need to change the camera.
No, it's an Alpine. No, it's
Does
different.
it bother you when the camera's right in your face, Brian?
I just breathe.
So it's actually.
No more words.
The one that you got measured.
Look, can you see the lens? Q2.